Hey, gang. Well, they just got done singing God Bless America and the Star Spangled Banner, and this started happening. So I guess they kind of started up already. Usually they just turn off the lights before they start this bad boy on up, but I guess it just said screw it. We're gonna start it now. We're just gonna do our own thing. There we go. There's some geese overhead, probably gonna explode. The 2018 Booneville 4th of July fireworks show, sponsored by Michael Bay. I wouldn't wear earphones for the next few minutes, gang. But yeah, they sat there and bragged about how they spent like $3,500 on fireworks this year, and see, last year I sat over on the visitors section of the where the band plays at when they have their football games, and I felt like in a lot of ways I didn't get a lot of good shots. So this year I'm on the visitors section, way at the one end where the entrance and exit is, or as they like to call it, the ramp. And so a lot of smoke. Let's see what this one does. Oh, there it is. There we go. Kaboom. It's kind of too bad I can't get a shot of the crowd over on the other side, because believe me, it's very small. It's a lot smaller than it was last year. I mean, last year was a pretty packed crowd, but this year I would even honestly say there's probably even 100 people here. I mean, there's a few people over here on this side with me, but that's about it. I got here a little after 8 o'clock, and I sat over here because I thought this would be a good spot to get a lot of these shots. And after about 15-20 minutes, people started coming over here and started sitting down, and I'm thinking that's probably gonna be the best seat in the house, folks. So oh man. That beam of light right there looks pretty cool. It's kind of sad people over on the I guess the parking lot are trying to shoot out their own fireworks. It's like, yeah, nobody's paid attention to your little rinky-dink fireworks. Sorry, folks. And there's people about a few blocks over from here. That wasn't bad. Oh, there we go. Doing the best I can, folks. If I could, I'd stand in the field and try and record this, but I kind of doubt I'd probably get in trouble for that, so. Alright, well, we're going to conclude this part, and we'll be right back in just a couple of seconds, so see you in just a second.